I worked out pecs on Monday. I know this is gonna. Are you using the? What? That's your hand.
There, right there.
Yep, right there.
Chin up. Beautiful. Wow.
Now, when it comes to my body, so to speak, it's still like the right side still
Okay.
feels different from the left.
Okay.
I'm not as stiff since the last time I've been here. Just
Okay.
definitely a little bit more looser. I think with working at Amazon, I've noticed that when I try to sit upright, and just period, just sitting upright, I get like the little tingly burning sensation in mid to upper back. Yeah, like right around there and down to the mid back. The left side, the right side just feels off still.
It just all popped up right here.
Yeah, it just.
Oh man. Take a deep breath in for me. We'll sit up. Let's see how we're going here. Exhale. Relax your chest. I got you, buddy. I got you. Here we go. Deep breath in. Relax your chest. Exhale. Very nice.
Wow, that was great.
I got you. Let it go. Chin down. All right, so it's going to have you go slide down a little bit, and then on your side, look over this shoulder, take a deep breath, and then just relax. Very nice. Very nice. Sorry. One side, yes, sir. Take a deep breath, let it all go. There you go. Beautiful. Face up. Wonderful. Look at that. A little bit on the right side here. All right.
It's 10-hour days.
And it's go until your truck's empty, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's when I first started, I thought I could just, let me just walk to the house and drop it
Yeah.
off. No, you definitely got to do a little light jog.
Oh, man.
When you have like 300 packages and,
Jeez.
things like that, you got to move a little
Unless
bit.
you want to get done 11 p.m. or something. Right.
Absolutely.
Right.
Yeah.
I got you. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. That was great. Now relax right here. Chin up. Beautiful. Wow.
I didn't know it was that crunchy. That was crazy. Oh.
There we go.
So arthritis is just a lot of stiffness? Is that
Well,
what it really
it can be, yeah. So it comes from areas of hypermobility. So arth means joint, itis means inflammation. So the word just means joint inflammation. So when you overwork a joint, the joint will grow in size, and then with that growth of the joint, you'll have limited range of motion. So yes, but it's the inflammation, the constant abuse of the joint that then makes the joint grow.
Was that bone?
Well, it's just your muscles, but they're all elevated. So
I was like, what?
yeah, because most of your life is rounded forward. So these are the roots. The roots of your neck are right here, and so they elevate. The more you're rounded, the more your chin tucks. That goes in between your shoulder blades.
I can definitely feel like when I try to just sit upright, like it feels like if I'm pulling on a rubber band and I'm just holding it there, and then when I stop, I kind of revert back to what I've been doing.
Right. Should be the days you get worked on are the days you can try to really go deeper on your stretching, because I'm going to get all the joints in your spine, overlapped as much as possible, get all the inflammation out of here so that your stretching is effective, and then to some degree you're an athlete and you need care.
Do you ever get cramps in your hands from
Used
this?
to. Yeah, used to.
Got used to it now?
My hands sort of gave up trying to talk to me. I don't think he's listening. Biggest thing with my wrists were killing me. When you're adjusting, a lot of force goes through your wrist, and it's very easy to sprain your wrist. I haven't hurt my wrists in 15 years.
Oh man, so they're just like, okay, I already know what's coming. This is the routine.
I think if you keep asking, your body will fill those requests. Your body adapts.
That's true.
I tell people when they have injuries, sometimes they have like say a boot on their ankle for much longer than I would expect. You know, I'm going at this point 4 or 6 weeks after an injury, you have to ask your body to work the way you want it to work the rest of your life. You can't keep on babying it. It's like it's time to start, you know, really putting the level of stress that you want that area to be able to handle. Much better last time, though. Get much smoother. The first pass with the carpet cleaner is always the most dirt.
That's true.
The first doesn't mean I can't get some. There's definitely some right there, but it's usually every subsequent pass is less and less.
Oh man, I worked out pecs on Monday. I know this is gonna.
Oops.
Oopsie.
I'm feeling already. I was like, oh man, here we go. Are you using the what? That's your hand. I thought that was the. Oh my gosh. Wow. Your hands feel like registered weapons.
Yeah.
Your hands feel like metal items. Like your body's metal now. Man.
Yeah. Lactic acid is cellular exhaustion when you work out and when you're working a job like you're working, you know, the muscles. You know, sometimes not all of it will leave the muscles at the end of the day, and some of it builds up in the muscles. And so, this is what I mean by cleaning. You know, lactic acid is of no benefit to your body. It's a waste product, and so oxygen goes in there, binds to it, converts it to carbon dioxide and water. And that acidity, if it's left in there, like leaving love bugs on your paint of your car, leaving, you know, like eats away at the paint.
Yeah.
You know, the tissue gets inflamed. The nerves sitting in the tissue become inflamed. There you go. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, I definitely feel that. Oh, that side feels worse. What the? Oh. That's your hand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right there.
Right, that's it. That's the one. So do you have knives at your, do you just cut things with your hands? You don't even use, you just, like, you tenderize with your elbow, with the people's elbow.
That's right. Had Ginsu contact me the other day, exactly. Yeah, right there. Ooh.
Wait, is that, I don't even want to know.
That's just these are the roots of the neck. Just working out, working hard all day.
Oh man.
Just we're due for a cleaning.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah, right there.
Yep, right there.
A little worse on this side, I would say. Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Definitely coming out into here, into your.
I don't know how the right side of my body just started doing his own thing. I don't know how that even works. It's very weird. If you had to pick a superhero name for yourself, based on your elbow, what would you pick? I'm thinking like the metallic elbow, like metallic.
It's the people's elbow.
The metallic elbow.
I'm Batman. You say anything in that voice. Do I look like a police officer? Do I look like Metal Man to you? That's right. That's low. Bruce, why are you talking like that? Talking like what? Is that I talk, see?
That's how I talk. The mafia man now.
It's totally my normal voice. What brings you into the office today? Hey, why are you talking like that? I've had my elbow surgically reconstructed into a solid piece of titanium.
That would be believable. I would believe it. If you said that just now, but yup, he's right. He's right. He's 100% right.
Yeah, it just needs time right there. Yeah, right there. Oh. There it is. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Breathe. Come on, bud. Come on, breathe. Okay, a little bit down, a little bit. Right there. Good. Ooh. Yeah, right there. Trying to get down to the joints. Muscles are in my way. You know, I'm trying to get down into the knuckles of your spine so that we can do some work with stretching at the end of the visit. The muscles
Yeah.
are all, you know, they
In
need,
that way.
they need blood flow, they need oxygen, but they're really secondary to the posture's changed by stretching, and it's the joints that are the crux of why your posture won't change. Right there. Yeah. Oh, come on. Yes. Right there. Okay.
I see the elbow still as powerful as ever. I see it. The strength is still there. Are both our elbows the same strength? Like, is one weaker than the other?
I use them. I try to use them pretty evenly. I mean, I imagine my right dominant, so it's probably a little bit
Yeah.
stronger. But no, they're used evenly throughout the day. So that is something to think about, even with your work when you're carrying things. You know, you might catch yourself carrying more on one side.
Yeah.
Try to be aware of that and center it, or.
Oh, that's right. I've been carrying like most of the bigger, heavier boxes on my left.
That's my point. You're right. You want to. Now, if you're in a hurry, you kind of just got to do what you got to do. But when you have the ability to think about it, you might go, "Hey, let me take the extra 10 seconds here, 5 seconds, and make my weak side carry it,
Yeah.
or the side that I'm not typically carrying it." And it'll help you long term if you can interweave that throughout your day. Sound like one of those like Japanese, like, it has been a long time since we have met, elbow. I see you have gotten stronger since our last meeting.
Lips still moving?
You have trained well. Bankai.
That's from an anime too,
Right.
Yeah.
My favorite is your Dragon Ball Z references. Everyone gets so excited. They're like, was that a Dragon Ball
Oh,
reference?
absolutely.
Can you just say whatever Vegeta said?
The sleeper has awakened. That's right. Yes, I am the Prince of All Saints.
Yes.
Again.
Oh, feel that one.
Oh, the goodies underneath the shoulder blade. Oh, right in there.
You can hear it?
Yeah, I definitely hear it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, let's go this side. But the ribs should also be not so elevated. That's part of it is the anatomy, it's posture. You gotta try to keep working on pushing these ribs down. All right. Yeah, like right here, yeah.
So the left side this time is actually.
This is more elevated, yeah, 100%.
Oh, man.
It was, when I looked at your back, your left is more popped up.
Is that just from me using that side more?
Most likely,
recently?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, big part of
Okay,
it,
that
yeah.
makes sense.
Yeah. Tilting to the, you're holding something, you're tilting to the right-hand side, yeah, you're holding something on the left. Yeah. Perfect. Relax your shoulders, relax your back. Breathe for me. Breathe. Exhale. Good. I know, but arms back down for me. There you go. There we go. Good. Breathe for me. Breathe. Oh, nice. Yeah. Very nice. There we go. Missed any.
Oh my gosh.
Where's the location of the rebel base? No! I'll never talk. Mm. Oh, right there.
What is that?
Mm-hmm. That side, sacroiliac joint between your sacrum and your ilium here. Gotta. Yeah, right there.
Is that the elbow?
Yes.
The people's elbow.
The people's.
AKA the metallic.
That's right.
The
Yeah.
metallic. Wow.
Nothing to see over there. There's nothing over there, Ed. Don't go digging any harder in there. Oh, right there. Oh.
Woo!
still amazed that toes crack. That's I've
Mhm.
never cracked my toes.
Mm. Okay.
Well, not really.
I get them all.
Yeah, you
That's
definitely.
right.
Never cracks mine.
That's fine. My shoulders are the most.
Oh man.
There's definitely some in there, but up on top of the traps,
Yeah.
both sides, there's inflammation in there. So
Oh,
you did great.
wow.
Yeah, you did great.
Oh wow.
1 second. Press back. Go ahead. There you go. Yep. And switch sides. Yep. There you go. And then same thing. Press back here. There you go. Yeah. That's it.
What is popping? That
Shoulder.
Oh wow. I just hear it.
Yeah. Releasing tension inside of the shoulders.
Oh.
That'll make it easier when we're stretching at the end to actually stretch your shoulders back. All right, go ahead and tilt your head to the right for me. Tilt right, tilt right. Uh-huh. Yeah. Go ahead and tilt right. Uh-huh.
That's so weird. It's still so weird.
All right. Go ahead and tilt left for me. Tilt left. Uh-huh. That's it. Tilt left. Uh-huh. Good, good. Go ahead and lean back a little bit. Lean back, lean back. A little bit. Okay, good. All right. All right. There you go. Go ahead and lean back a little bit. Lean back for me. Oh, good.
Ooh, that was
come
yeah.
on. Jeez. You were hiding that one? All right, fair enough.
Oh, man. No.
Fair enough. I was like, really?
Oh yeah.
Press it in, then you put your hand back down. 20 minutes, yeah, end of the day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. I was doing it a lot more, and then I slacked. I'm not gonna lie. I
It's
definitely
okay.
slacked
After
little
about a
bit.
month or two of not being adjusted, I don't blame you. You know, it's really
Yeah.
meant to be used. These tools are meant to be used with, you know, observation of care. You know, you're
Yeah.
meant to have care for it to be effective, and so you know, especially this next month, try to
Yeah.
put some time on the dental roll. Same kind of principle applies to the back roller.
Mhm.
You know, my sister has a device she's developed she calls it the Dragon.
wow.
This goes in between the shoulder blades, so I'm interested to see how you feel on this guy. So
Oh yeah.
right in between the shoulder blades where you want to
Okay.
work. Maybe sit up for me. Maybe sit up. And then lift up for me. There we go. Lay back for me. I got you. And knees bent. Yeah, yeah.
Well, that feels.
Do you need a book? Yeah.
Yeah, I need the buddy.
Definitely
There you
feels.
go. Yep, I know.
Well, it doesn't feel too bad.
And you work your way down. You kind of, you roll. Come with me. Yeah, come with me if you want to live. And you're working that hole in between the shoulder
Oh
blade,
wow. Okay.
right? So it's a
So this will help my shoulders kind of fall.
right. Eventually,
back
yeah.
to where
Yeah,
they
you
need to
just
be.
you put them to the side. Yeah. Yeah. Trying to bring those shoulders back. This is the two birds, one stone stretching.
Oh wow.
You're trying to get pressure in between the shoulder blades. Problem with the roller is that the shoulder blades block pressure, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
you below the shoulder blade, the roller works fine, but in between the shoulder blade, it has to be thin enough. There is a device that the dental has it's a yellow one that's thin enough to get in between, but this is a roller, so it allows you to move around a little easier.
Mhm.
This roller that my sister's designed. It's a little bit better to be used if you're not under constant care. So it's good for lay people to use or people that don't have consistent care. They can
Yeah.
get on the Dragon roller. The dental roll is meant to be used with more observation. It's a little deeper stretch, more intense. So the
Okay.
roller is a good device for people that are on their own, and you can get on your roller and at least try to loosen up and counter stretch all the hours that we're spending rotated forward. The people's elbows.